Hello students, welcome to Affairs Cloud. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. So the news for the day is
DRDO, the Research and Development Wing under the Ministry of Defense, has handed over the medium-range microwave obscurant chaff rocket to the Indian Navy at a ceremony held in New Delhi. This new technology is developed indigenously by DRDO's Defense Laboratory in Jodhpur, Rajasthan. The test for the same was conducted in two phases and both of them were successful, and then it was handed over to the Indian Army.